Alright guys, I think you're going to like this video because you're going to get free stuff. And the most valuable of the free stuff is a list of over 100 dropshipping suppliers. And these suppliers are based in the US, the UK, Australia, Canada, there's a few in Europe and New Zealand. These are not Chinese-based suppliers. And as well as that, there's a list of profitable dropshipping niches and some of my recommended dropshipping tools and resources and others to avoid. And it's all free. Obviously, this is a shameless attempt for me to get your email address so I can annoy you even further. So, although I'm generous, I'm not quite that generous. But if you just want all the freebies, you're welcome to sign up, download the list and whatever else you want, and then unsubscribe. And I hope they will help you. If people don't want to hear my advice, I encourage them to unsubscribe because I don't want to annoy anyone. Now, let me mention a few things about all these suppliers. Some of them you can just sign up on their website and start dropshipping their products. There's a couple of print-on-demand suppliers on there too, which is like another form of dropshipping. Some of the suppliers mention that they offer dropshipping on their website, which means that you'll likely need to inquire about dropshipping. I have a video on how to secure suppliers for high-ticket dropshipping if you need some help with that. Now, some of them may not have it listed on their website that they offer dropshipping. But I've contacted so many of these suppliers in the past and they've said they offer dropshipping. Often they can be the best and most valuable suppliers because other dropshippers may not know about them. Because a lot of the suppliers are suppliers I've contacted over the years. Like, this is a list I've accumulated over the years. Like, in my program, I've got a massive list of over 1,200. I think it's actually over 1,300 suppliers now, which is another shameless plug. But it just makes it easier to find suppliers who sell specific products within your niche when you have a huge list already to contact. And you can often sell low-ticket products from other suppliers from this list, even if you're starting a high-ticket dropshipping store. You don't need to only sell high-ticket, expensive products if you're doing high-ticket dropshipping. So a list of suppliers can be really helpful, okay? I'll leave this video here. This is a short one. You're here to get your freebies. You don't need to listen to me ramble on. There'll be a link below so you can get them all for yourself. And if you start making sales from any of these suppliers in the list, you owe me 10%. Thanks for watching.